better not come with me.
Yeah, I know that you're going to hate it because I've censored the wheelie, but even with this sensor on, this video might still get hit for dangerous activity.
You're kidding.
What's your friends do?
Huh?
What's your friends do?
Friends?
Yeah.
What do you mean? You talking about the dudes that were doing donuts over there?
Yeah.
Not my friends, boss. My speculation is they seen me practicing my wheelies and thought they could go over there to the public property and...
So why are you practicing wheelies?
I have permission here. Here from... yeah. Yeah. I was just riding with one of the workers just a little bit ago.
So I'm going to ask you to not pop wheelies for the rest of the night.
I can head on home if that's what you'd like, man.
Yeah, because I like to believe that people don't lie to me.
No, I truthfully... I get you, man.
Not open, so I can't go and ask them.
Right.
Sure that they're giving you permission. Just cover me too.
Yeah. But is there anything? So say, because this is the only place I can practice. I'll leave tonight. You know, I'll give you that. But I will be back to practice again because this is the only place I have permission. It is a private property, huh?
Why do you practice wheelies?
Social media. People like it.
Okay, so go to a racetrack.
You can't do it on racetracks, man.
But you can't do it in the middle of town either.
I mean, it's private property and I have permission.
It doesn't matter. It's still careless and imprudent driving. Look up the city code.
Only if it's publicly accessible.
The business is in public, or the business is in the city.
Right.
So the city ordinances cover that.
Okay. I can only take your word for it right now. You know, I'm not educated on it, so.
Appreciate you being cool with me, man.
Hey, you know, thanks for, you know, not giving me any tickets or anything like that, you know.
I'm not trying to ruin nobody's fun.
Right, and you know, I get it. You know, I'm the only guy present after unfavorable act happened, so somebody's got to take the rap for it. You've got to be joking though, man.
Even though this biker had permission to do stunts on private property, this cop had a different opinion. And what he told the biker opens a debate. Is he right or not? Can they still charge you for reckless driving, even if it's done on private property? And for videos like this, a disclaimer is needed. Do not run from cops, it's dangerous and it's the worst choice you can make.
No, go away, please. Bro, there's so many cops. That's like the 5th cop I've seen tonight. They're all trying to find somebody to give a ticket to. Oh yeah. Huh?
Where's your plate?
In my bag. I just came from taking pictures, so I didn't get a chance to put it back on. Huh?
You gotta put it back on before you leave.
I could put it back on now. I just didn't have the circumstance to put it back on. I'm sorry. You guys are out hunting people. You're pulling me over right now? Do you want to see my stuff? Oh goodness. You can. Everything's legal, but thank you. I will. That's the same excuse I use every single time.
Come on guys, we have to update our excuses for not having a license plate. Not all of us can use the same one. Officers have heard every version of it by now.
Hey.
The reason I pulled you over is you don't have a license plate.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I don't? Oh no, it's there, but it's hard to see.
Covered.
Yeah, that's my.
Do you have your ID on you, sir?
Yeah. I didn't know it was really that hard to see. I guess it's from the dirt, but it's all legal.
Can I see your other ID?
Oh, my bad.
No, you're all good, dude.
Sorry.
You just coming from? Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from San Jose. Yeah, I'm just going back home.
Okay. All right, man. Yeah. Here you go. Technically, you're not supposed to have that cover on it, but you can't see it at all. It looks like you don't have a plate.
Okay. All right, I'll keep that in mind.
You're all good, man.
Okay, man.
All right.
I appreciate you.
Buddy. Yeah.
In my country, covering your license plate is treated far worse than having none at all. And the difference in fines is big. It's the same where you are. Comment down below where are you from and whether there is any difference.
Captain Collins. You have any idea why I might have stopped you?
Yes, sir.
For what?
For reckless driving.
Yeah, so riding a wheelie, this is not street legal,
Okay.
all that
Yeah.
says that goes to impound. And that's like $600. So I'm gonna have you ride at home and you're not gonna do that here anymore, okay?
Yes.
So next time I will call somebody and we will tow your car or motorcycle and impound it, okay?
Okay.
All right, just ride gently home. No more wheelies, okay?
Okay.
All right.
I'm sorry. Thank you very much.
Check. We'll see you.
Not every cop is out to ruin your day. Most of them actually care and genuinely want to help.
I'm getting pulled over.
Hello.
What's going on, officer?
Possible voice speech. We stopped. You don't have a back license plate. I saw the defeat. I saw the shoulders fall.
I was riding over by the village and it fell off. I had it fall off twice now.
Have you been pulled over and like not had plates on your bike before?
I've never not had it on the bike, but I've had it where it's like duct taped up.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
That's your registration. Why is it duct taped up?
Because it fell off.
You gotta figure out how to do that.
It keeps getting caught on my tire because I do like stunts and stuff. Not in the street, but like.
Of course, right. Yeah. I'm not gonna give you a ticket. You're good to go. All right. Ride safe and get your plate fixed.
I appreciate you, officer.
course.
Thank you.
Riding a motorcycle without tail lamp after dark is dangerous. And sure, it's way to draw attention from the cops. This biker though had a pretty good reason for why he was riding like that.
How's it going?
Sure, bro. Before we switch up a couple things, okay? First is the plate, and then also you got no lights on the back. So you're completely blacked out driving down the freeway.
Okay, so 3 things. 1, I got this bike maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago. For 2, I have the tail lights coming in actually tomorrow.
Okay.
And for 3, it got ripped off. I got stopped. I talked to the CHP. I have the papers for the registration and everything.
Okay. You got your license with you?
Yeah.
Yeah, just the lights, man. Like we could barely see you, right? So
We
Yeah.
heard you pass by, and we started driving to look, and we didn't see you until like 3 more miles because the lights. So.
I seen you guys.
what kind of bike is it?
It's a GSXR.
600?
Yeah. You guys ride?
I do.
What you got?
CBR.
What? Which one?
04, 600.
I have the 08, dude.
08?
08, yeah.
I like those years. They're
What
nice.
the hell?
Got insurance for the bike?
Not yet.
No insurance?
No.
All right, give us just a minute, okay?
Okay.
All right, bye. Everything's good. You'll probably be waiting a couple weeks for the plates from the DMV.
Yeah.
But tail light, like I said, I wouldn't ride it until you get that on there, just for your sake. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
People are flying out here. Obviously, your lane's playing. You're going a little bit past in traffic, which is
Safety.
smart. Yeah. You're hitting bumps. It flickers a couple times, but not enough.
Okay.
People are going to be able to see you.
Okay.
Get that taken care of as soon as you can, and then throw the plates on there when you.
Hell yeah. I appreciate it.
Yeah, make sure you grab insurance too, as quick as possible.
Oh yeah, for sure. Thank you guys. You guys are actually pretty cool.
We're not out here trying to ruin people's nights.
Try to be, man.
That's cool. I was expecting you guys to be a bit more rude and not to be mean, but like and stuff. But you guys are pretty cool.
We got nothing to be mad about.
I saw the hand go up and I was like, ah, man.
Yeah, you seen that?
We don't have too many bikes that stop, so.
Yeah. Were you guys were to chase if I ran?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I know you guys was looking forward to it, huh? A little bit.
Nah, we're gonna stop everybody safely, as safe as possible.
That's cool. I appreciate it, guys.
All right, brother.
Ride safe,
Ride safe.
Thank you.
This biker had plenty missing from his setup, yet he still rode away without a ticket. It goes to show that pulling over and staying respectful goes a long way, and more often than not, you'll walk away with just a warning.
I'm Officer No Biggie LAPD. Reason for the stop is that appeared to be kind of a race to me, and on top of that, I got the other guy over here at 53 and it posted 30, and you were right next to him at 35. Do you have your license, registration, proof of insurance?
Hey, man. Yeah.
You're all good. It's just because when we initially saw it, we didn't see any plate.
Oh, it's all good, man.
Alright, you're all good.
Am I good? I appreciate you.
He said, nope, not today.
Hey guys, I'm not trying to be the ruiner of fun. I don't think you're actually supposed to take the electric dirt bike in town.
Yeah, you can.
You can?
Yep.
On the electric?
Uh-huh. I got 3 of them and I've never been messed with. They says it's fine. Huh?
You got a tag for it?
No, they don't have to have a tag.
They do.
No, they don't. No, they don't. Look it up. Look it up.
On the electric dirt bike?
Yes, you don't have to have it. I've already looked it up. Over a certain wattage, yes.
Okay. No, that will
But as long as you have a valid driver's license, you are fine, and I do have that.
You got insurance on it?
No, you don't have to have
You don't
that.
have to have insurance on it. I just want to know for my own thing, right?
Okay, you're good. No, I got,
I don't personally have a problem with it. It's just the fact that I don't want you to get in trouble, right?
Yes.
Well, hey guys, you have fun on that.
Alrighty.
Be safe.
You do the same. Stay safe out there. Alrighty, have a good one.
You too, buddy. Have a good day.
Before heading out on public streets on your e-bike, make sure to check if it's legal to do so. This biker already did his homework and proved the cop wrong.